Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, May 24th. The Zen story for today is titled The Lantern and the Wind. A night watchman walked the quiet streets of the village, lighting lanterns as he went. At each door, he paused to strike his flint, shielding the small flame with his hands. One by one, the lanterns flickered to life, casting pools of golden light against the dark. As he bent to light another, he noticed a man sitting on the steps of a house, watching him. "Careful," the watchman said. "The streets are dangerous in the dark." The man smiled. "Are they?" A breeze stirred. The lanterns shuddered. In the shifting air, the watchman saw, for just a moment, the streets glowing pale beneath the moon, every house outlined in silver. Then, in a single breath, the wind swept through the village and extinguished every flame. The watchman stood still. Darkness pooled around him. But as his eyes adjusted, he saw the outlines of rooftops, the soft glow of the sky. The village was not as dark as he had thought. He turned back toward the house. The man was gone. The night stretched on. The wind carried nothing but silence. The watchman lowered his flint and walked on. Now take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Perhaps gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Thoughts may come. Let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Be here in this moment, just as it is. Now take a moment to reflect. Do you light the way, or does the way reveal itself? If the flame vanishes but the path remains, was it ever dark? Do you light the way, or does the way reveal itself? If the flame vanishes but the path remains, was it ever dark? What disappears when you stop trying to see? If light shapes the world one way and shadow another, which one is true? What disappears when you stop trying to see? If the light shapes the world one way and shadow another, which one is true? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice how you're feeling right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and check out the practical suggestions for Zen moments in our private circle group. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.